These are the scaffolding prices. So this is how it looks like out. So this is giving you an idea of the scaffolds that we can buy now. Makes it's reusable than wood. So they have available here in Citi-Hardware. So that's the frames that you can attach together with a 35 peso attachment thing, and that's the cross bracing. It's 335 each. So that's the scaffold. That's your scaffold solutions. So this shape is 910, and that's the size 1219 by 914 mm. This is the next size 1425. This one 1690, and they got a cross brace 373. Then the joint pin is only 35 pesos. A set includes 2 pieces H frames, 2 pieces cross braces, and 4 pieces joint pins. So that's the cross bracing. And this is how it comes. So that's the scaffolding.